The three AI side hustle everyone is teaching right now, I tested them, they are dead, no longer make money. Flooded, margin gone, client tired of them. These three are first, content writing agency. Nowadays, every freelancer doing that. And rates collapse. Second one is ChatGPT prompt pack. Free prompt everywhere, nobody is buying. And the third one is generic AI agency. You can find 1,000 generic AI in Google. But I found five businesses that are wide open. If you have no audience, no money, no coding, and technical background, it's fine and you can do that. I'm not going to waste your time. Five business, exact playbook, real numbers. Let's go. Here is one thing that changed in 2026. AI stopped being a tool you use. It became a skill businesses will pay for, not to do it themselves, to have someone set it up and run it for them. Business one, Claude training for companies. Biggest opportunity on this list right now. Businesses are migrating from ChatGPT to Claude in massive number in 2026, and almost none of them know how to use it properly. That's you walking in, getting paid. You offer 1 day team training, project setup, prompt writing, internal workflow. You charge 3,000 to 8,000 USD per session. You don't need to be a developer. Spend 2 weeks learning Claude properly. You will know more than 95% of businesses do. Your pitch is simple words. You say, I help team get 10 times more out of Claude in 1 day. Send that to 20 or 30 operation manager on LinkedIn. That's your whole strategy. Business 2. Faceless AI video agency. Not making video for yourself, making them for business. Hygiene for Avatar, 11 Labs for Wise. The business give you the script, you deliver polished video in 48 hours. That take you about 2 hours of actual work. A professional videographer charge 2,000 a day. You charge 400 to 800 per video. Same quality, fraction of the price. They keep coming back. Every business needs this, and almost none can make it themselves. To start, make three sample video, different industry, post them on social media. Business 3. Micro amp building with Lovable. Not a full software company, one tool, one problem, one client. For example, a booking form for a dentist, a tracker for a consultant, an automated follow-up system for a real estate agent. These cost 5,000 to 10,000 with a developer. You build them in a day with Lovable, charge 1,000 to 4,000 USD. The rule is simple, one feature only. Clients don't buy software, they buy solution to one specific problem. Walk into any small business, find the one thing slowing them down, and say, I can fix that in 40 hours for 2,000. You will never run out of work. Business 4. AI automation agency, high ceiling on this list. And it in is the tool. The idea is simple. Businesses are still doing manually what workflow can do automatically. Lead follow up, social media posting, client onboarding. You build it once, it's run forever. No ongoing work. You charge 1,000 to 5,000 USD per setup. In it has a learning curve. I won't pretend it doesn't. Give it 2 weeks, but here is the thing: the harder it is to learn, the less people are doing it, and the higher the price stay. Business 5. Personal brand plus AI sponsorship. The long game, also the biggest one. AI companies are spending money on creator deals right now. Not just big channel, small, focused niche audience, because they need educated buyers. You don't need a million subscriber. A channel with 5,000 people in the AI space is worth more to an AI sponsor than a lifestyle channel with 500,000. Pick one of the first your businesses, document what you're building, post consistently for 90 days. Sponsors will come to you. Here is exactly what I would do if I had zero, no money, no audience, nothing. Week one, pick business two or three. Make three simple, send 20 email or 20 call or post 20 post in social media. Week two, close your first client, money in. Use the income from the first business to fund the second skills. Stack them. Don't pick one and stop. The people making serious money with AI are not doing one thing. They are running two or three of these at the same time. Five business all wide open right now. Claude training, faceless video, micro app automation, personal brand. Pick one. The window closes every day that more people figure this out. I'm going deep on each of these in separate videos on this channel. If you want to subscribe, new video every Wednesday and Friday. Drop a comment. Which one are you starting with? I read every single one.